Another day in paradise. So this time, continuing on with living with a SAAB, I guess due to the cold snap, I've never actually had this happen before. Still a little perplexed by it, but anyway. The basket on my rear 6x9, I have the AS3 Prestige Harman Kardon system. So the 6x9 subwoofer on the rear parcel shelf of the sedan, my 2005 9.5 Aero, the basket separated somehow. I'm guessing it's due to the cold snap and me pumping them tunes. But yeah, so the basket's no good now, and I decided I'd replace the speakers, and I'm going to be replacing the 6x9s with these. Yep. Even though it does have a tweeter, obviously, because the AS3 Prestige system has a low-pass filter, the tweeters are never going to function on these, but yeah, these are actually 2.3 ohms, so they are very close to the factory system. Here's the Harman Kardon factory speaker. And yeah, so it sounded like it was blown, but it's actually not blown. It's just the basket somewhere along the edge is actually separated. Where are we here? Let's see. Where is it? It is right somewhere along here. So yeah, hear that? Yeah, because the basket itself has actually separated from the remaining area of the speaker all along there. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be working with here. So these are the GX 962s. They are actually 2.3 ohm. Actually, never even checked to see if it states it on there at all. No. But trust me, they are. And it's all on the box and everything. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. The only part that really sucks is having to deal with the wiring and everything, and getting in there and taking out the old speakers and splicing into the harness. I'm not going to cut these in case I do end up getting factory speakers again. But yeah, anyway, here we go. Now, I already did the driver's side. I did that one yesterday, and then I realized, oh, you know what, I should make a video of this. So, alright, thankfully, SAAB was smart when they designed these bad boys. You need to flip the seat down. Alright, I should vacuum that out. Now, because you have to actually pull this out. You don't actually need a screwdriver for this. There we go. There we go. Now there's a clip up underneath that has to pull up. There we go. And then we want to flip this down, the headrest here. There we go. And it just slides out towards you. And there's the speaker that I'm going to be taking out. Alright, fun times. So it's T20 Torx that you'll need for this, I believe. Let's find out. Yep. Alright, that's one. Oh man, this is so... Oh, don't tell me this one's stripped. Oh, please don't tell me that. Okay, no. Alright. Some really tight space in here, too.
Now, one of the issues that I ran into with the driver's side was that not all the holes lined up, so there's actually only 3 screws holding in that speaker. I didn't want to have to re-drill or anything, but I could have re-drilled it, but it's pretty solidly mounted anyway, so I still kept the screw just in case I do end up re-drilling it later if it's absolutely necessary. But there's no rattles or anything, so far so good. They really do not give you a lot of room to work with. Alright, one more to go. This last one here. Not quite out yet. Okay, that should do it. Okay, that's all 4. Whew. So now I gotta pry this out. Might have to pry it from the bottom. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to. It's siliconed in. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I just reached my hand in from underneath. Oh, man. Alright. Now go grab the new one. Alright, I'm back with the new one. And it's a really tight fit. The magnet on this one's bigger. And since the magnet's bigger, there's less space to work with. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. Keeping the factory grills on though. Alright, now let's try to line this up. It'd be nice if this lined up better than the driver's side, but I doubt it. No, it's not going to line up properly either. That's too bad. Yeah, again, 3 out of the 4 line up. Well, what can you do? And it's hard to get this back in because in order to see the holes that are lined up, I actually have my face right against the headrest here. Okay, so I'm not tightening them all the way, leaving them a little loose so I can align this a bit as I go. I think this one's only going to allow me to do 2, actually. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. I might barely be able to do 3. We'll find out in a sec. Once I try to screw this one in. I could have drilled, but nah. Okay, no. I don't like that. It's going to go right into the this around. Okay, if I do that one, of course, it has to be the most difficult ones too. And again, can't see because my eye is covered by the headrest. I'm kind of going by feel a little bit here. Probably could have mounted them from underneath, but whatever. Alright, is that one going now? No. Where are you? Come on. There we go. All right. All right. Now, how am I going to get the third one in? That's the question. Or maybe I should have started with the bottoms first. Oh boy. Oh, just lost the screw. In the trunk. Alright, here we go. Let's hope that this one actually lines up at least somewhat. At least enough to get the screw in, because this one's not going to line up at all. Yeah, no. Oh, actually, wait, maybe. Maybe. No. Oh, yeah. I think so. All right. Oh, man. Oh, that's a lot of stress on my neck, yo. Again, there's like no room to work with here. Oh, actually, I think this one might actually line up all four. I think this one will. Oh, which makes me wonder why the other one didn't. Which is odd. Well, maybe not. Yeah, I don't think. I think I'm thinking I'm seeing a hole, but I don't think it actually is. No. No, it's not. Is that down? Okay, yeah, no, it's not. That's not a hole. Alright. So once again, it's going to be 3 and 3. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Thought I lost it. This is definitely not a job that you can rush. too. And this is and that's 3. Okay. Whew. I don't think that lines up. Let me just double check. Yeah, no, there's no hole there. If I go way off center, then maybe. All right. Okay, so that's part of it done. Now I just got to plug it all in.
So I've already stripped the wiring. So I'm going to be plugging this end and that end into the existing harness. So I'll be plugging those into this harness here, and then from there putting it into the leads on the speaker itself, and then I'll solder them in place after. So I'm just gonna lay on my back here. Oh man, that hurts. Okay, so I'll be putting them actually on the back side where the existing wires are going in, and I'll be right back. Here we go. Got the negative, positive, and everything should be good. And then I'm just going to come back, solder these 2 ends on, and that'll be that. Put the stock grills back on. You can't even tell that the speakers have been upgraded. Beautiful.